Question number 5th is, we have one figure. This figure is a combination of triangle and rectangle. Okay. So we need to determine the perimeter of the triangle separately and the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So in this, first of all, perimeter of triangle. Okay. Perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Okay. Sum of all sides means, I already explained you what is perimeter. Perimeter means this covering outer part of the figure. Okay. Outer part of the triangle or rectangle. It can be any shape. It can be circle also. In circle we need to determine circumference. We will discuss later. But now we need to determine the perimeter of this triangle and this rectangle. So perimeter of triangle. The formula for perimeter of triangle is sum of all the sides. Okay. So the sides which are given to us is 5 by 2, 2 3 by 4 and 3 3 by 5. Okay. So 5 by 2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 4, 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Okay. Now to add these fractions, what we can do? We have to take the LCM of it to add them. Okay. So the LCM of 2, 4 and 5 will be 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 1s are 2, this 5 and 1 5 1s are 5. So 2 into 2 into 5 will give you 5 2s are 10, 10 into 2 20. Okay. So 20 will be the LCM. Okay. Now you can put here 2 10s are 20. So multiply that 10 with 5. Okay. So 5 into 10 plus 4 5s are 20. So multiply that 5 with 11 plus 5 4s are 20. So multiply that 4 with 80. Okay. Now 10 5s are 50, 11 5s are 55 plus 18 4s are 72 upon 20. So what will you get? 7 plus 5 plus 12 plus 5 is 177 upon 20. Okay. So we got 177 upon 20. So it will be 817 by 20 centimeter. Understood? Now perimeter of rectangle will be, what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? I told you now, 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So length is this and breadth is this. So this opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So the length which is here, so this length will also be here. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4 is the length for this rectangle. Okay. This is the base for triangle, but this is the length of base of triangle, as well as this is the length for the rectangle. Okay. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Okay, because opposite sides are equal. This and this are equal, and this one and their BC and AD are equal, and CD and BE are equal. Okay. So in this way, the length of rectangle will be 11 by 4. So you can put here 11 by 4, and the breadth is given to us that 7 upon 6. Okay. 11 upon 4 plus 7 upon 6. So LCM of 4 and 6 will be what? Find the LCM of 6 and 4. What will you get? I'll find here. Okay. 4 and 6. 2 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so it will give you 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So LCM of 6 and 4 will be 12. So 4 3s are 12. So multiply that 3 with 11. So 11 3s are 33. 6 2s are 12. So multiply that 2 with 7. So 7 2s are 40. Okay. So 2 into 33 plus 17 will be 4 plus 3 7. 3 plus 1 4 upon 12. So 2 6 are. So 47 by 6. Okay. 47 by 6. Got it? Now we need to determine whose perimeter is greater. So for this we need to compare both the fractions because we got the perimeter in fractions. So to compare two fractions we have to make it into like fractions. Perimeter of triangle is equals to what? 177 upon 20 and perimeter of rectangle is 47 upon 6. Okay. So to make it into like fraction, what we can do? We have to take the LCM because to make it into the like fraction, we want to make it into the like fractions. Like fractions means the denominator should be same. Okay. So LCM of 20 and 6. LCM of 20 and 6 will be 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10 and this 3. 3 1s are 3 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 16. So LCM will be 60. Okay. So to make this 60, we have to multiply the first fraction with 3. Okay, because 23s are 60. So 3 upon 3. 3 7s are 21, 2 carry. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 2, 23. 2 carry, 3 1s are 3 or 2, 5. Okay, so 5 31. We got 531 upon 60. Now 47 upon 6. So to make it 60, we need to multiply it with 10. So 470 upon 60. Got it? Now these are like fractions and 531 is greater than 470. So perimeter of triangle. This was the perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of triangle greater than perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Understood everyone? What we have done in this question? We first find out the perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Okay. Sum of all sides. And perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. And by putting the values of length and width, we find it out the value of perimeter, and we need to compare that because questions ask that whose perimeter is greater. So we need to make it into like fractions. So we made it into like fractions and we compared it and saw that perimeter of triangle is greater. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now next question. Question number 6 is, Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. Okay. Salim, one boy who wants to put a picture on a frame. Okay. And what is given in the question? Picture is 7 3 upon 5 y. Okay. There is one picture of him and it is 7 3 upon 5 y. Suppose this is a picture of Salim, okay, and it is 7/3/5 wide. This is the plate, no? 7/3/5 centimeter, okay. Now to fit it into the frame, and this picture cannot be more than 7/3/10. Suppose this is a frame, okay, and this frame is of 7/3/10 centimeter, okay. It is 7/3/10 wide, and Salim wants to put this picture into this frame, and this frame is of it is 7/3/10 centimeter wide. So this picture should not be greater than this, because if it is greater than this, so this picture can't be put in this frame. Getting my point? This frame is 7/3/10 centimeter wide, okay. So they are saying that to put this picture into this, it can't be exceed this. Okay, width of the picture cannot be more than this width, okay. So what we need to do is, first of all, what we can do, how much should the picture be trimmed? So we need to trim this picture, okay. Their length are same, okay, their length are same, but their breadth are not same. Their length are same. This is a frame, suppose, and this is a picture overlapping in this frame, okay. So this is a picture and this is a frame, okay. We need to, because it is how much centimeter it is wide? Picture is 7/3/5 centimeter wide, okay, and their length are same, but their breadth are not same, and this frame is of 7/3/10 centimeter. Understood? So we need to trim this picture, okay. This part we need to trim to put it into this frame, okay. This is a frame, this shaded part, this shaded part is a frame, and this whole is a picture. So it is more, this picture is, this part is more than this frame, okay. So we need to trim this part to fit it into this frame, okay. So what we need to do is, first of all we will write width of frame picture is 7/3/5 centimeter. Got it? And required width is we require this width to put it into this frame, okay. So required width is 7/3/10 centimeter. Got it? Now, so the picture should be trimmed by cut this part of the picture to fit it into this frame, okay. So we need to subtract this whole picture's breadth by this, okay. So this part will be removed by the picture, so that we can easily put it into this frame. make it proper fraction. 7 5 is 35. 35 plus 3, 38 by 5. Okay. Minus 10 7s are 70. 70 plus 3 is 70 plus 3 will be what? 73. Okay. So 73 upon 10. Got it? Now the LCM for 5 and 10 will be what? 2 5s are 10, 5 1 1. So 2 into 5 will give you 10. Okay. So this will be 10. 5 2s are 10. So multiply that 2 with it. 38 into 2 minus 10 1s are 10. So 73 into 1. So 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 minus 73 upon 10. So we will get 3 upon 10. Okay. So 3 upon 10 centimeter width we have to trim from this picture to fit it into the